At Computex Taipei 2026, the tech industry confirmed a major shift. Artificial intelligence is moving out of digital software and into the physical world. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang and Qualcomm's Cristiano Amon were unanimous in their assessment. They described AI as having a physical body and identified this as the year of autonomous agents. The economic scale of this transition is significant. Intel forecasts a $25 trillion market for edge computing and physical AI by the year 2050. For the user, this means AI is leaving the chat box. It is actively managing smart factory lines, railway signaling, and robotics. AI is transitioning from a purely digital tool to a physical actor. It must now interact directly with its environment through integrated, specialized hardware. However, there is a technical obstacle. The sophisticated silicon chips that run these models traditionally live in pristine, climate-controlled, dust-free data centers. Standard commercial computing hardware is not designed for the physical world. If exposed to a chaotic or dirty environment, these systems will fail almost immediately. Three forces destroy standard PCs: heat triggering thermal throttling, vibrations snapping PCIe connections, and dust shorting the motherboard. In the cloud, a crash delays a web page. On a robotic arm, it leads to physical disaster. To maintain safe operations, absolute hardware reliability in extreme environments is a strict technical requirement for physical AI. This requirement makes the role of the integrator essential. Using 37 years of manufacturing experience, Premio builds the ruggedized compute backbone required for these deployments. Unlike fragile standard servers, Premio's engineering focuses on neutralizing the impacts of shock and vibration. While standard ports vibrate loose, Premio uses threaded M12 locking ports and cableless internal architecture to ensure continuous data connections to handle extreme heat and conductive dust. These systems eliminate cooling fans utilizing heavy-duty metal heat sinks for passive cooling. By sealing the chassis to IP66, IP68, or IP69K standards, the hardware is effectively protected as a completely sealed unit. These engineering choices transform vulnerable electronics into a durable housing, allowing delicate AI chips to operate in harsh conditions. Premio packages silicon from NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD into specialized series designed for different layers of the physical environment. At the extreme edge, the WCO series encases NVIDIA Jetson chips in fanless IP66 rated systems built for the most difficult outdoor environments. The WCO series is purpose-built for applications like outdoor robotics and intelligent railway signaling. On the factory floor, KCO series Edge AI workstations bring Intel Core Ultra performance directly to the manufacturing line, operating outside of traditional server racks for on-premise processing. The short-depth AMD-powered LLM series allows companies to handle massive datasets locally. Processing this data locally ensures that sensitive telemetry and proprietary information do not have to be sent to a public cloud. This creates an unbroken chain of specialized hardware, providing a ruggedized solution for every stage of physical AI deployment. The AI Together theme at Computex describes a necessary symbiosis within the hardware ecosystem. While companies like NVIDIA, Intel, Qualcomm, and AMD design the processors, they depend on manufacturers like Premio to build the ruggedized enclosures that protect them. This partnership allows for deterministic, autonomous computing where data is processed locally with zero latency. Because of this deep hardware integration, physical AI systems can now operate flawlessly through the most unforgiving environmental conditions. To learn more and discover the benefits for rugged edge AI computing solutions, visit our website at premioinc.com.